Now, accessing values in a dictionary is similar, but instead of a numeric index, we're using the key index. So if I wanted to access this, let's just copy that over, comment that part out, and play around here. Let's see what we got going on. Got some extra tabs here. And I actually, when I'm coding these, I'm copying it over, so it got a little weird. But when I'm coding these, if I'm going to use this vertical alignment format, I usually do it like this. I usually put the curly brace on the line where I'm declaring the variable, and then I put all of the keys and values and line them up, and then I put the closing curly brace. Just don't forget, you have to have the whole thing. So now there's two different ways, two different methods for getting these. This one is the direct method, and you'll notice that even though it's a dictionary, and we said dictionaries use curly braces, that's just for when we declare the dictionary. When we're accessing a value using a key from the dictionary, we're using square brackets. Basically, the only time you use curly braces with a dictionary is when you're declaring it. After that, you're always going to use square brackets. So I can just directly access that value using dEmployee and the key, or I can use the get method of the dictionary object. So that's a dictionary method called get. It does the same thing. I'd never use this method. I'm just going to tell you. Always use this, and that seems to be the preferred method. I'm not sure why get exists, but it does. But if I print that, you can still see that it returns Bob because that is the name there. And if I print the whole thing, it looks like this. So there is the whole dictionary object. And we've got, again, key, colon, value, key, colon, value, key, colon, value, key, colon, value. That's the pattern. If you stick to the pattern, you're in good shape. Okay, so that is how we get data or access data from a dictionary.